So I went and picked up my packages. I had two separate ones. Two separate ones. The thing with Savo Store, you buy you just buy as you normally would if you're buying from an online shop. Like I bought these things from Amazon, yeah. So you just buy them, put in your card details, and then for the shipping address, you put in their shipping address. They ship to Savo Store in the US. Yeah, you send Savo Store your tracking ID. Is it tracking ID? Oh jeez, I've forgotten. But it's I think it's tracking ID, but it's the process is there on the website, on Savo Store's website. So I sent my tracking IDs for the things. I bought 3 separate items, like 3 separate purchases, because I was buying them at different times. And then once they get your item from Amazon in the US, they send you a quote. So now that quote is for like shipping costs and handling costs and all that jazz. So you pay Savo Store once, you pay just once. So you buy the goods from Amazon as you normally would, so you still pay for it. Well, I used shipping only. They can also buy for you if you'd like, but I just prefer that option. So I bought it from Amazon, then I sent it to Savo Store's warehouse in the US. So they're the ones who received it for me in the US, and then they sent me a quote for like shipping costs, handling costs, all that jazz. And then I paid Savo Store, and then once my goods got to Kenya, I just went and picked them up. That's it. They're already open. I couldn't wait. I opened them on my way home. Okay, so in this big one, so for the first one is this box here. So I got myself LED lights, but I got the ones that you can attach to the camera, because my room is a prison cell. It's super tiny, so I don't have space for like what are they called, for lights that are on a stand. So I just chose to buy this what is this LED lamp that is attachable, like you can attach it to your camera. And just okay, so the contents are the light itself, yeah, and then there's this, oh, the second diffuser. There's 2 of them. One is already on here. This is the second one, which is more of an orange warmer light. And then there's the mount for attaching the light to your camera. Oh, I'm so excited. Anyway, so this is the light. It's pretty light. I mean, it's not that heavy, so that's cool. Then this is the first diffuser I was telling you about. It's already attached onto the light itself. Now in the other smaller package is now, this is just the battery pack for the light. It's a pack of 2 batteries, this one and this one, and then it comes with the, I think this is the charger. Oh gosh, I don't even know. I think this is the charger. Should be the charger, yeah, because it has slots for both of them. So that I keep everything in order, I'll just store the batteries in the charging thing. So let me try and see. Okay, I don't think it's charged, so sidhani itafanya, but let's see. Ah, okay, I have to finyilia. Ooh, that's bright. Yeah, that's really bright. Anyway, so it comes with a dimmer. It's a dimmable light, so you can see I can make it brighter and dimmer. Brighter and dimmer. So that's cool. And then a long press to turn it off. Then the next thing I bought is this thing here, a diffuser for the camera. I mean for the light, because I mean the light does come with diffusers, as you saw, the 2 sheets. But I also got this because the guy before I bought all these things, I looked for recommendations on YouTube. So the guy who was talking about the light also mentioned the diffuser, just to diffuse to make the light less harsh. So I also got the diffuser as well. So it comes in a pouch like this. Oh, this is cool. I can use this. Nice, nice. So newer. The slogan is pro quality, amateur prices. Okay. Anyway, so this is the diffuser, the box diffuser. So it's kind of like the kakifuniko you see on box lights. They're called box lights, soft box lights. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know. So it's just like this. It has this reflective surface on the inside. Let's see how it works. Long press. Ooh, yeah, it's on. Let me turn it up to the max. Wow, I'm actually feeling the heat. That's bright. So that's the light on max with one battery, and that's how it is in the box. So I think, yeah, it actually, oh, it does do, yeah. I've tried putting it on my face and it's not blinding, so it works. I'm just, yeah, so turn it off. Okay. The other thing I bought, oh wow, is this here. If you've not, I think you've noticed by now, all these light things I bought are from Newer. They have some really amazing reviews here on YouTube, so if guys trust them, then I trust them as well. Anyway, so yeah, this is a backdrop, I think. Yeah, I got a backdrop. I just find like plain plain backdrops are more professional, in my opinion. They seem more professional, so that's the look I was going for. So nikanunua backdrop. Oh, it's in a box. Okay. And then there's something else in here. Oh, the two clips. It has two clips. This ginormous box. Okay, I'm being dramatic. It's not big. It's not that big. So this is supposed to be the backdrop. I thought it comes with a stand. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to buy the stand, Sasa. Yeah, so it is fabric and these two clips. 4 of them or 5 of them. But I don't have anywhere to clip it on. So I might DIY that. If I don't know. We'll see. I thought it came with the stands. That's why when she gave me the package, I knew. I had a feeling because it was a bit too small. Anyway, that's it. That's all I bought. I'll definitely be following up on the backdrop because I need to make sure that I was not supposed to get the stand as well, because if I was, then I have to get what I paid for, and if not, then I'll have to buy it separately, which means I have to wait again. But anyway, the backdrop is not really that urgent. What I really desperately needed as quickly as possible was the lights. The light, it's not even light, the light, so that I can at least be able to film after the sun has set, because during the day I don't have that much time to film, and at night, you know, I can make time. So I'm happy about that. That's it for this week's video. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications by clicking on the bell so that you're so that you're notified anytime I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!